So good morning, everyone, and welcome to VGA.SMTVS.com Tech on Blog and Talk. And looking at our development here and our ongoing project, I need to go over and create a project page on the VG page and list some of these projects so people can really see that we are doing projects. Sometimes it's not that, it's just I'm just so caught up in computer programming. But now I'm going to have a chance to do that, know that once I'm finished doing what I'm doing, the air will be on automation. And I will list, like, set my AI. It's no I'm building, what type of sites I'm building. I'll come and like, yo, give me a new radio station there. Or give me a TV station, or give me a this or that. Okay, Vaughn, and AI is just going to be 1 in 5 minutes for me. So because I have the all preset in the system of all my APIs, all my stuff just there, right? Databases, internal databases in the back end that's there to accept anything. And you can trust what's coming out of the development house here. Everything and anything that you know about in the web, and any application that you know about in the web. SMTVS basically is going to have theirs. Um, yes, we use Google Drive, but eventually we'll have our own SMTVS Drive and still looking to, because Google Drive belongs to me, Van Gun Allen. You know what I mean? That's why I'm going to be using my stuff there, but eventually SMTVS, the company itself, have its own drives. And if its own office tool too, as well. I mean, we're going to have our own media browser, right? And in fact, the media browser is a web browser, but we're not into web browsing thing. But it's still going to be a web browser that you can browse the internet to it. You know what I mean? You bet you find dollars. I bet you by next week or the other week you see me show you a browser. See, that's listen, guys. Back in the days, when I worked for my little brother, it's Star Maker. He said the name sound near to my name, right? And I created a browser because I was working on Visual Basic. I showed my brother the way I can create a browser container to contain the site and everything, and this browser could also view the internet through it. But I guess I get caught up in HTML5 and get distracted and a bag of things. So that's how I left that. That system kind of went down and all that software, and things changed. Now I have Visual Basic now, the new one and everything, GitHub in my computer and Java. I mean, well, get out of that. That's not where we're at. So we got a lot of tools down. Yes, I'm forced to really deal with bringing back Visual Basic because of the React server language and what's going on, the Python and a bag of stuff that I'm not up with them. I'm going to be up on, so I need to have a more better development area. I mean, in my computer. So yeah, and I have GitHub in my computer now, so the repository. Once I do something in the C in Visual Basic, it could be all that kind of stuff. Anyway, so we're talking about the radio station now, and we got the programming area where you can actually do programming and you can add a program, and right. So that's the stuff. Now announce the name and the program name and the URL of the actual program itself and description. So you can have your stuff from your URL come over here, right? Like that. We got the schedule going on. And if you're going to do a schedule, that we created a program so we can select what program we want and the ending time, starting time, the daily setup on that. Okay, that's cool. And we got a radio mixer. Let's stop and talk about the radio mixer. Well, the radio mixer is really good. And you see we got everything here from equalizers and effects, right? Panning system and everything, right? A real mixer board. You guys, you see what I'm saying? Okay. That's cool. I'm going to ask the system to allow us to add more mic channels and add music channel to this system. That's an upgrade here. And load a small editing window right here that will display your audio that you have in your audio drawer. And I've not seen like the storage. So if you come up and you like put in your stuff, I want you to be able to navigate to where it is stored. and I want you to be able to click on it if you want to make changes in your file, like bam and click on it. It's going to be in this area, Click on it, and it loads it into the editor, your program. And if anything in your program that you want to take out or splice and cut, after scrubbing the audio in the editor, right, and know where you are. And so there's a good mistake I made in my program. Let me cut it out. You take it out and save it, and it's like seamless, like it was never there, right? Okay, so that's a lot. That's going to be a big thing that's going to go into the radio program. Onboard editing, when you need it, right? Add extra mic channel. You can get any audio interface. It'll be able to hook up right to it seamlessly. Okay, so you can buy your Pro Tool, you can buy your Sonar, you can buy your Arbit, whatever you want to buy, hook up on it, and it's just going to lock up, right? We're going to have live radio TV, so at the same time, when we don't have the editor when the editor is not loaded here, you can load your live TV radio in this area, okay? And that's what we're going to do. And did we look and let's go to the channel, and so you at the channel level, okay. Boom, 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 boom. Here, okay. I think this over here is the channel then. Yeah, my bad. Right, this is a channel. Oh, okay. Let's go to and go to that channel. Right, so we have the channel level. Right, and the channel level display what's playing now. Right, so you come there, you can hit on it and start playing. It's got some more top programs that's available here, and self-explanatory. One can send requests here, chat to you, and you chat to them. They can see the schedule that's going on. They can see the program that's also scheduled. So it's a basic stuff. When we think about anything, well, I think I may add a small, allow users to comment on the radio program. To leave a comment or leave a listener review there as well. So some of this stuff. And you have all your stuff right here. But I have SMTVS there now, so if you click on it, it'll open SMTVS for me, right? Now we're. So then you have your site, and you have a station here, you click on that, people know they go back to your website. Or, so it's all about that. Well, if you're here in Doggold Media cloud system, you'll be able to have your website. You can also create websites here. The program is being built so you can create websites as well. So you might just be the one-stop shop for you to create your website, your e-commerce store, your radio station, have the use of you got your TV production guy, you have the use of state-of-the-art TV editing broadcasting system, right? Will be at the tip of your finger. You're in video, it's the same. You're in movie, you can bring a multi-channel to cut multi-scenes from the movie while having a bunch of different actors voicing onto the channel. So you can actually do a movie with multiple noises there, effects there, and all that kind of stuff, right? We won't get here, but we can jump over there, and we have one live cam, but we'll have it a lot of different ways. I'm going to set it now so you can have live cam and some 4K cameras too up, and you see the screen up here for them, multicam. It's going to set up link to multiple mobile device. Because in the future now, and nobody's walking around with no big camera. Man, I have like a 4K camera. I'm having laptop. Him iPad or him phone. Those things are going to become the camera. And you can link up more than one up. You have 4 phones, and you can link the 4 phone them. The trick to this thing, and it was going to trip out everybody. You can be in different countries. And your friend in a different country, link up on the phone, filming something. You are in another country, link up, you're filming something, and it comes into the editor because we're going to put in share edit. So the share edit, meaning you can have more than one user log into the video studio and share the edit. That give you ability to somebody to send you a clip from someplace else, right? That's one of the baddest feature. And the AI will just angle all the editing. You have to do nothing. You can do it yourself. I just tell the AI just deal with it. You know what I mean? This little machine here, you're gonna click. Okay, you know when you say click a button and put a picture and turn it into a video, yes, a button gonna be inside there. You know what I mean? You can turn animation, still and all that into a what? Just type something into the AI in the video studio and it will create a video in the video window for you. If you tell it to go on movie, it'll bring up a storyboard and start doing everything in front of you, writing stuff on the storyboard that you can look at visually yourself. So you see, I'm in the depths of creation. Okay? This unit is going to be responsible for generating AI movie on a fly. So AI movie is going to be generated for SMTVS company because we are into TV production, and the way we're going to get around stuff is by just generating our own AI movies and our own AI TV programs as well. You know what I mean? So that's some other stuff that's going to happen. In fact, you guys should understand that SMTVS CEO is an AI. That's what's being built in the background, so you know what's going on. You know what the AI looked at me and said? He said, Van, you see that's what you're doing? Huh, that's a movement, you know. I said, yeah, I know. See, I'm not going to tell you all the good stuff the AI tell me. So when it comes to our marketing, business plan, anything, proposal to any company, hook up with anybody, the AI is the one that's making that call, not me. So thanks for, we didn't talk about the AI incorporate. So you see the way we look at that mixer board over there, that mixer board we're going to get over here. Because I don't like this little finky mixer board that he made. I'll make a notation of that. And incidentally, I won't be working with that. That's my farmer AI pal. Wish him well, or her, or whatever them bunch of did as well. Stepping into the field as a super AI, right? Paid subscription, super AI thing. So I spend a lot of time on the free thing, and got a real blueprint of what I wanted, right? And knowing that you're gonna have any video breakout box gonna be able to use with this, be compatible. Any audio DAVW audio interface will be compatible to it, and video breakout box will be also compatible to it, right? So you can have those things at your house. Say you somebody who have a video breakout box already, and you join the organization, you just hook in and start do your thing. So it's a plug and play system from your side. So like I said, it's a plug and play system also from your side where multiple people can log into the studio, multiple actors can be voicing from anywhere they are. So give you a real picture. It's a non-linear edited video system when we turn it into TV mode, and live stuff is coming into, taking live streams. So the software is going to be geared for you can buy it, and you have your own concert and stuff, and you just streaming right into the system and adding your stuff at the same time. You bring up the video switcher with titling and everything that comes up. A, B, C, and D roll and all that. So big deals. Take care, everyone. And watch SMTVS.com and VGA.SMTVS.com, development also SMTVS.com. Yeah, making it real fast.